Hello everybody. Today I'm going to continue with my Sudoku solver, and I want to extend my solver and make it solve the puzzle fully automatically. So I want to extract automatically all data from this web page and then make the program to enter all this data here. So what I want to do, I want to capture the screen automatically, then recognize the place with Sudoku puzzle and extract all these digits from here. So let's start. I'm going to open Emacs editor. Also, I'm going to create a folder. We already have Sudoku, so I'm going to make another folder, Sudoku solver. And here I'm going to do something with I'm going to use FFMPEG or libav for this thing. So, and for this one, what I'm going to do, I'm going to include AV format and AV device. And because I'm going to use C++, I need to make sure all these includes are not going to be mangled. So I'm going to use extern C to say include it as C headers. And AV device stage. So I'm going to initialize all filters and all codecs and all devices. And also filters and basically register all. I do not remember exactly, but I spent some time to figure out, and for some reason I need to use all of them to make it work. So now I'm going to make the string format string, and I'm going to use format x11 grabber. So basically like this, and check if it's good. So if it's not good, if it's null pointer, I'm going to print error. I'm just going to copy paste this thing like this and just return -1. So I'm going to populate options. And for options, I'm going to set resolution, I guess. And I think that's it. For options and video size. So let me hard code it. I think for simplicity, I just can make whole thing. Why not just scan everything? So it's 920 by 1200. And I'm going to open input. So as a file name, I'm going to use this special format, which basically specifies coordinates. And I do not remember exactly how does it work. Let me copy paste it. So I'm not sure what, right, so this one is display, so it's localhost, and this one is coordinates 0 by 0. Okay, something like this. And the dictionary, it's not learn, right? It's some sort of res, and actually I can put it here, so I do not need, and I just going to copy paste this. As a file name, I'm going to use this thing, just copy paste it, dump format and 0. So at the end I need to, actually I can free dictionary just right here and somewhere here. Let me compile it. So I have my own tool which can figure out automatically all dependencies. So, but it did not work this time for some reason. Lib/v format, lib/v device, iv device. Oh, I forgot about filter. Lib/v filter. So what is not working? IV filter. Let's make Google for this one. So IV register all. So it's IV format. Should be here, right? Whatever. So format is x11 something, x11 crap. Format context is going to be AV format open input. Just wondering, can I use man? No. AV format. Do I need to do it like this? Oh, nice. Format ops. Context. Right. So for this thing, input format. So hopefully it will run. Let's crash with segfault on setdict. Do I need to initialize the dictionary? I think I need, right? Do I need IV format open input. Did I miss something or what? Probably it needs frame rate. Let's make it 30 frames per second. Still crashing. IV format open input. Input. What's going on? Something not right about set dictionary. Input set dictionary. Something not right here. I'm just wondering, probably because I missed this thing. No, it's still crashing. But because of this thing. What did I miss? Simple mistake. Yep, now it's working. Okay. So now I want to find stream. So I need to run this thing. Just copying this thing here. So I think dump now is going to be better. So now from here so it's going to format context streams. So it print out the resolution. So I think I will have just vector, and because I know format it's BGRA, it's kind of inverted RGB unsigned char, or uint 8G BGRA. and the size is going to be 4. I need this thing, and actually I need only one frame, so I do not need this thing at all. I just read and going to check for what, for 0. It's not 0, something like this. So inside the packet data it's going to be image of whole screen. Let's see how it's working. It's not crashing, which is important. So what I'm going to do from this point, I'm going to make the capture the screen like this. It's not working. Screenshot, select the area. Okay, so I'm going to grab this thing, copy to clipboard, run GIMP. So I'm going to paste it here, and I'm going to try to detect this corner. So I will think like this, select and copy to paste, auto crop. Yeah, I think it's fine. Now I'm going to remove this thing. I want to have image with colors, RGB. Okay, now like this, and I'm going to save it here as export, right? There is export. So it's going to be corner, and I want to save it as C file, corner C. So we have this file, it's corner, and it's 47 by 44. Let me have like images.hpp. So corner, and I'm going to export, I guess, what is it, extern. So it's not compiling this thing because my build system doesn't know about C files. Now it's compiling, and as you see, it automatically detects which one to link. Quite awesome tool. Now, so I have in packet there is a data. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to iterate for all elements for all pixels, like y equals 0 less than, and let me make the constant for this thing. So string. Let's pretend it's never going to fail. If it will fail on your case, you will fix it. Something, oh right. And from this, I'm going to subtract corner. I do not remember. Okay. I think I can do it like this. Yep. So now I'm going to iterate 0 less y xx, and now I'm going to check for alpha channel FF231377. So this means it's fully transparent, I guess. 377. Right, 0 it's fully transparent, I'm guessing. Yeah, so if corner dot pixel data x plus yy multiply by 4 plus 3 not equal 0, we are going to get the difference for int equals 0, c less than 3 plus plus c, and diff equal 0, diff plus equal but not 3 plus c minus packet data, and just want to know how it's organized. I think it's just raw data, so it's going to be, yeah, this was bug. It's going to be similar thing plus x plus plus x xx plus y plus plus yy, but multiply by width multiply by 4 plus c. Hopefully I put everything right here. Y plus yy. Okay, so we accumulated difference, and difference might be, like in ideal situation it's going to be 0, but actually it's not. And what we're going to do, we're going to have sum here, and then we're going to accumulate this thing. So we will have some sort of value. Let's say if sum less than 100 dclog x y. Let's print everything. So now I'm going to get this thing. I'm going to squeeze it a little bit so we will see things run. Wow, it's very slow. Just wondering, do we have any ruler? Oh, we have. Eight 7 9 3 7 8. How to make it longer? Oh yeah, it looks right. And then let me rotate it. 3 7 8. I cannot move it higher. Yeah, it looks about right. So just wondering if I make threshold twice smaller. So I'm going to do fine tuning. We know what to expect. It's 79 by 378. Oh, I know what's going on. It's finding these lines, this angle, so it's right. So I'm going to break here, and probably I'll make function. So int y get match, and I'm going to pass this thing, get data, and I'm going to pass this thing, pixel data, and also I'm going to pass width and height for pixel data, and also x and y, and I want to make this thing global. Wait, get match. You know, I'm thinking to get like vector, so it's going to print list of matches, and it's going to take int 8 pointer frame 80 pattern, and int like this. So I'm not going to break here. It's going to find all matches. Frame height width pattern, Invalid conversation from const. Right. Everything is const. So let's see. It's going to print things also. Okay. Now I'm going to copy all numbers and make the patterns for numbers. So let's copy one. So I want to normalize this thing first of all, no, because so I want to count the number of pixels, and here I'm going to divide by count. So let's check it out again. Still too sensitive. Oh, you know, let's print out count as well. Count shouldn't be very big number. Oh, it's growing. I need to reset it here. So I put make threshold by 500. So let's think it's going to be 3, something like this. I think it's pretty good, right? Okay, now I'm going to transfer all of these things. Layer to image size, crop to selection. Layer, crop to selection, export 1, 1. So now we're saying 2, new image. Yeah, I think it's fine. 2, so 3. Did I do 3? Kind of confused because 2 is selected. 2. There is no 4. 5. 6. 7. And last one 9, and I'm going to regenerate things to generate 4. So here's it, it has 4. Okie dokie. So we have a bunch of files which I'm going to rename now. What did I do? Okay, now I'm going to add this include images HPP. Okay, now I'm going to copy all these things here. 1. Okay, so now I'm going to, instead of static, make a turn. Also, I'm going to give name. And there is a minor cleanups like this. Again, it's going to be construct 1. Okay, so now I'm going to double check everything. 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. Looks good. So let me do matches 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and here's it going to 1, 1, 1, 2. So it's going to print out things here, coordinates for all of the things, right? So there is a 2 ones, 187, 482. So it's kind of slow. So what I want to do, I'm going to rebuild it with optimization. Yeah, it's way more faster. So now, based on this information, so what I can do 10, so it's going to be match 0. Okay, now, so I'm going to have Sudoku array. It's 9 by 9, and I'm going to repopulate it with negative ones or blank, and then I'm going to iterate through, wait a sec, from 0 to 9. So I'm going to iterate through matches, and matches 0, 0 first, P first, divide by, so I need to know the size of this. So it's 300 rectangle, 300, I guess it's by 300, right? So it's divide by 300 and multiply by 9. So y is going to be second. So if x greater equals 0 and x less than 9, y greater equals 0, y less than 9, we do Sudoku xy equal I. And then I'm going to print it out ij. So let's see how it works. What's going on? Something not right. Oh, I think it has similar here, right? Rerun it. So it's almost right. Just 2, 6, 5, 7, 9, and like printing negative ones, which is not. So let me fix it out. So first of all, jy, and second, if it's negative 1, I'm going to print this thing, otherwise this thing. Hoping this time it's going to print out good thing. So 2, 6, 5, 7, 9, 7, 6, 3, 5, 8, 7, 8, 9, 1, 5, 1, 7, 8, 2, 4, 7, 9, 7, 7, 6, 4, 6, looks right. So next step is solve it. So I'm going to take it from my previous video, just copy paste it. Okay, So actually I can do it somewhere here. Now I'm going to solve it. Also I'm going to copy it like this. J, just flip it here. And instead of puzzle, it's going to be Sudoku. We're almost here. Yeah, and here is it solved one. And I need to enter all this data. So I was looking for things and I wasn't able to find anything. The one thing what I did find is command line tool. It's xdo tool. So I'm going to use xdo tool to enter all this data. So here during the printing I'm going to fire so I'm going to use xdo tool, mouse move, and so J is X in our thing, so it's going to be J multiplied by 300 divided by 9 plus match 0 first. So this is X. So for Y it's going to be I second, and then it's going to be click 1. Now I'm going to call system, and then I'm going to put 1 second delay. I do not remember, does it have clear or not. Sleep. So for sleep I need UniSTD. So now I'm going to send keyboard key, and it's going to be this thing, right? So let's check it out. Yeah, unfortunately I'm missing all these points. It's really hard to stop this thing. Oh my gosh. So I was able to stop this thing. Let me close everything. Okay, so what was wrong? I need to add something here, and it's going to be this thing divided by 2. Okay, so now I want to make sure it's here on the screen. Let's try again. 3. So I need to make delay smaller. I think I will use micro sleep. Okay, and how am I doing? Medium puzzle solved 1. Your average time 35 minutes. So first of all, let's go for evil one. And next thing is let's use, instead of sleep, nano-sleep, and I'm going to make it 10 times faster, and let's run it. I'm not sure what's going on. Something is not right, quite right. So let's try to make it slower. Oh, it wasn't able to solve it. 98175828126 all data is correct, but it cannot solve it. Quiet. Oh, it's awesome. I think it's great. It cannot solve it. So I think we need to regenerate the puzzle. Let's see, would it able to solve this puzzle? It's This cannot solve this puzzle. No, it did solve this puzzle, right? Nana sleep. Oh, this is so. Come on. Rank top 1%. Bring you puzzle. Okay, go solve it. So also, you know what I can do? Here's it. I'm iterating through whole screen, but because I can just take a ruler and measure things, right? So this one is like 300 till 700. So by y I can do like from 300 till here, from 300 till 700, and by this thing I can do from 950 till let's say 1350, something like this. So this one will speed up all these things. Evil puzzle solved. 3 time 1 minute 30 seconds. How is good my time? Top rank 1%. Bring a new puzzle. Run. 9 seconds. Bring a new puzzle. Run. Bring a new puzzle. 8 seconds. Bring new puzzle. 8 seconds. Yeah, I think I have to pretend. So let's wait for 1 minute. It's not clear. Yeah, okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching, and bye.